Welcome. Now it has created our application successfully. So let's go ahead and do cd and type the name of the app. And from here we can just say code space dot and it will open the application in the VS Code editor. We can also do it another way. Just go to file and then import our app, or we can just press code space and then it should work. So this is our Angular application, and if we check now, it must have created the modules for us. Here is the app module, but if you are not using the no standalone flag, it will not create the app module, so please be careful about that. And if we go to package.json, we can see some configurations being created for us. Of course, we are using Angular 17, so all the dependencies related to Angular 17 are present here. So we'll continue in the next video. Thank you.